Researchers found that levels of a melatonin sleep hormone marker were raised by more than 266% after eating pineapples, 180% after eating bananas, and 47% after eating oranges.
Give it up for Mr. Cool the Pineapple and Mama Peach for our recipe today.
Core the pineapple, peel and cut into small pieces. Peel and core the peaches. Cook the fruits with very little water for about 10 minutes. Pineapple has a lot of juice already. Too much water will make the puree too watery. Use the water left from the cooking for blending. If your puree is watery, add a bit of cooked oats or baby cereal for thickening. Oats is preferred as it also aids sleeping. This puree is on the sweet side, so give to Bob in moderation. You can also use it as sweetener for oats. Have a question? Leave a comment.